Okay, here's a very quick lesson on how to play the C natural minor scale. So you start with playing the open third string, and the second fret third string, third fret third string, first fret second string, third fret second string, fourth fret second string, first fret first string, and then third fret first string. So one more time. And then reversing, we go third fret first string, first fret first string, fourth fret second string, third fret second string, first fret second string, then third fret third string, second fret third string, and then open third string. So forwards and backwards without stopping.